Why hello everybody and welcome to a Minecraft video, and today I am going to be showing you how to make a baby Steve banner in Minecraft. So what you need to do first, and this can be done in survival but it will require a wither skull, a rare item. So first you do that, you add the skull charge, then you add, then you add a piece of blue there to look like Steve's top, and this and you put this there to make Steve's pants, and you do that. Pretty simple, and you've got yourself a baby Steve banner